You ever wonder why we never see videos of any of the planets? I'm talking about real time or live video footage of any of the planets from NASA. Don't you guys ever wonder? I mean, they have thousands of satellites and probes and magic flying space telescopes, and yet they cannot show us live video footage of any of the planets in real time. But yet I've done it from here on Earth many times from my amateur telescope. If you were to go to Google and search for a live or real-time video of Jupiter, this is what you're going to see. And it's from NASA, a flight over Jupiter. Or is it? You must read the fine print. All right, seriously, check this out. This video uses images from NASA's Juno mission to recreate what it might have looked like to ride along with the Juno spacecraft as it performed its 27th close flyby of Jupiter on June the 2nd, 2020. You mean to tell me this Juno spacecraft with all these cameras on board flew by it 27 times and never took any video? I mean, like never live streamed it, never recorded like even 3 minutes of real video footage of Jupiter up close. They had to take a bunch of images and recreate what it might have looked like using CGI and animation. Guys, you can't make this stuff up. How does anyone still believe that space travel is real? NASA can't show you a live or raw video footage of Jupiter, but I can. Their budget is approximately $70 million per day. I have no budget. I had to save up my own money to buy my telescopes and cameras. That's okay, guys. Since NASA can't show you a real video of Jupiter, I will. And my telescope is a beast on Jupiter. I should see if NASA wants to buy my footage. Dude. That's awesome.